Hi everyone, this is Denise and I have with me today Beth Hampshire. We are going to share with you a presentation that she provided as part of our FDA listening session on September 17th, 2021. Thank you so much, Beth, for your service to our board of directors and for being with us today and as part of our meeting with the FDA. So without further ado, I'm going to turn it over to you, Beth.
Hi, everybody. My name is Beth Hampshire. I have lamellar ichthyosis. I'm 40 years old, and I live in Indiana. Caring for my skin takes a great deal of time on a daily basis. On any given day, I can spend 2 to 3 hours managing and caring for my skin. Starts with daily showers to get moisture on my skin, and then followed directly by putting lotion on every inch of my body to hold that moisture in. After years of trial and error, I have found that using amlactin rapid relief cream mixed with Aquaphor is the best thing for my skin. This will keep me comfortably moisturized for 15 to 18 hours a day. I will moisturize my face and my hands every few hours throughout the day with amlactin as well. I have found that most soaps can be harsh on my skin and really drying, so I tend to use any type of dandruff shampoo that I can find as body wash instead of shampoo. Weekly, I take 1 to 2 baths. These last at least an hour and include soaking my skin and then scrubbing it off or exfoliating the excess layers with a microdermabrasion or a pumice stone. This is the most effective way that I have found to remove the scale on my skin. Topical retinoids have been the prescription treatment for my skin, and it's been the best thing that I have found. Tazorac cream is a lifesaver. I can use it all over my body 2 to 3 times a week, and it reduces the scale like nothing I have ever used. Recently, I participated in a study that allowed me to use a topical retinoid called Acleaf, which worked as well as the Tazorac. Using these treatments has allowed me to sweat for the first time in my life. It allowed me to play with my kids outside without getting overheated so quickly. It was amazing. Using the retinoid reduces the scales to the point that I don't feel like I'm leaving pieces of myself everywhere I go, which can be incredibly embarrassing. Redness only affects me when I overheat or when the scale has been removed of what I like to call the meat, meaning I've taken off so much skin to the point that I have open sores on my body. Many types of ichthyosis have permanent redness that prove to be a major factor in their visible difference. And there is no effective treatment at this time. Itchiness is a normal part of my life, so normal that I don't even notice that I do it. I can unconsciously itch to the point of bleeding. Itchiness can be hard to control for me. There is no consistent treatment. I can use over-the-counter allergy medications like Benadryl or an anti-itch cream and lotions, but this is really just a short-term solution because I always itch. I itch while I sleep and will wake up in the morning with spots of blood on my sheets from where I've itched myself bloody. If I'm feeling extra itchy before I go to bed, I'll cover my hands with socks to prevent myself from scratching uncontrollably. This is the time when I am most likely to permanently damage my skin, only because I'm sleeping and I have no way of controlling myself. In my case, using retinoids is the most effective treatments for all of my symptoms of ichthyosis I have, and those that I have described. If using this type of treatment improves my skin even 5%, then I would consider that a success. Meaning maybe I have 5% less scale, less itch, that would be a success. If these treatments allow me to experience life with my 3 kids without so many restrictions, that is a success. If I could relieve some of the pain my skin feels by 5% a year, that is a success. Access to topical retinoids is the only way that I have found to reach the success that I have described to you. For a person with ichthyosis, getting access to this treatment would be a significant success. Thank you.